Today, in the Gospel according to Matthew 20:17-28, two things occur. First and foremost, Jesus once again foretells his passion, death, and resurrection. But the apostles do not really grasp the moment. Because James and John, through their mother, asked the Lord that these my two sons may sit one at your right hand and one at your left in your kingdom. There is no glory without the cross. There is no love without sacrifice. When will we learn that there are no shortcuts with love? Lord Jesus, today you call us to serve others by putting ourselves last. And not to seek vain glory, but to seek your glory. Grant us, Lord, the grace to live the gospel with humility, to seek serving others first. Grant us the grace to remain in you. It is with you that we bear much fruit with love. Praise be to you forever, Lord Jesus Christ.